Okay, so we've got a 2015 Subaru Forester. It's the XT Premium Edition. Automatic wagon. It's a nice pearl white. Got the tow bar there, reverse camera, tinted windows, alloy wheels. Exterior presents in excellent condition. It has travelled 101,000 kilometres. Got a full service history, has just been serviced. The radar cruise eyesight technology. Good value at 26,999. Got the big panoramic sunroof up the top. Take a look at the interior. So yeah, radar cruise on the steering wheel, Bluetooth connectivity, 101,000 Ks, little heads-up computer for your AC, and you've got your satellite navigation, climate air conditioning, automatic transmission with X mode, leather trim in excellent condition, there's no dramas there, front passenger just as good, there's your logbooks, 2 keys, check the service history photos, there's your back seat there, all looking pretty flush. Just show you inside the boot quickly. It is a power tailgate. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.